Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you some fun fidget toys that I got from PoundToy.com. The first one I have here is this fidget stick. To use it you just gently push it and then it flips over and over again by itself. Next I have this infinity cube. This fidget toy is a cube made of 8 smaller cubes and these cubes can be endlessly rotated in different directions. I also got this unicorn puzzle cube. It's similar to a Rubik's cube, but instead of coloured squares, it has bright and colourful unicorn themed pictures. The next fidget toy I have is a fidget spinner with a twist. Not only does it spin, it jumps, bounces and lights up. I also got this rainbow bubble popper. This is like reusable bubble wrap and it's really satisfying to pop. I also got another poppet and this one is a bracelet so you can take it anywhere and fidget with it again and again. The next fidget toy I have are like mini nunchucks. What's really cool about them is you can learn to do lots of tricks with them and they even light up. And the last toy I have is this water ring toss game, which is really fun to play with. It has a colourful underwater scene and is shaped like a game console. There are 2 buttons you can press to make the water and air move the rings, and the aim of the game is to get all the rings onto the pegs. Well, I hope you enjoyed part 1 of my Pound Toy haul. Stay tuned for part 2, which includes more fun toys and dolls.